Samsung just dropped the S25 Ultra with more features than I have reason to wake up in the morning. Let's review it. Alright, let's talk about the S25 Ultra, the Samsung latest base that somehow is thinner, faster and sleeker. But is actually worth your money. I have been daily driving this for 3 months and here is the unfiltered truth. It's not just a phone. It's a 2,500 Canadian dollar flex with commitment issue. I have been using it for 3 months, so obviously I am qualified to review it like I built it myself. Let's start with the unboxing, or should I say deboxing? You open this 2500 tech shrine expecting fireworks, and what do you get? A phone and a cable? That's it? So, no charger, no earphone, no case, not even a sticker that say, "You are broke now." It is the most minimalism scam in the tech history. At this point, Samsung packages is just a gentle reminder that accessories are now a DLC. Shout out to downloadable content from the internet. You don't unbox this thing, you emotionally unpack it. Build quality. Let's talk about build quality. This thing, it feels like it was carved out of a meteorite. Solid, premium, and weirdly confidence-inducing. You could probably drop it on your ex car and total the vehicle, but let's not test that. The design, slick as ever, titanium fray, matte finish that finally doesn't pick up your fingerprint like a crime scene, but it's giving iPhone vibe and I am not so sure how I feel about that. Brightness. Brightness is 2600 nits, blinding outdoor, perfect for flexing your screen at the full blast in the sun. It's Samsung, so of course the display is gorgeous, 6.9 inches of dynamic AMOLED at 120 Hz. It's basically a mini TV that fits in your hand. So yeah, AMOLED, it sounds like a science, but really it's just a disco party of self-lit pixel with commitment issue. Amazing black, rich color, and a life expectancy shorter than my last relation if you leave brightness at 100%. You are now watching a video on it. You are experiencing them like a spiritual awakening. Okay. The color, so saturated, your salad look radioactive. Now with the vision booster, even your email looks dramatic in the sunlight. Bezel basically is gone, it's like holding a floating screen. Camera, zoom, huh? 100 space zoom, it's still here, still creepy, still funny. I zoom into my neighbor window, I saw the disappointment probably because they are still using an iPhone. Front cam got the glow up too. AI selfie are so clean, it's borderline catfishing. Like I don't even look this good in real life, bro. 200 megapixel for what? To zoom into your soul? I took a picture of the moon and they showed me Saturn. Shots in 8K. Why? Do you even have an 8K monitor? Probably most of the viewers are watching it in Full HD, not even 4K. So you can record your existential crisis in cinematic quality. Performance. Snapdragon, it has been here since the beginning. Since the beginning. Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 paired with 12 gigs of RAM is pure overkill. I opened 35 apps just to feel something and still didn't lag. Samsung is like, we lag? We don't do that here. Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 is fast, like scary fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is butter smooth, and gaming, I threw Genshin at it and not a single hiccup. Not a phone, that's a pocket-sized war machine. It's like, do you think that's multitasking? I am out here solving climate change in the background or running VMware while running an AI photo editing all at once. Honestly, I have seen data center throttle harder than this phone. Gaming mode, it actually works. Genshin, Call of Duty, Fortnite, max out, no thermal throttle. This is more of a console than phone at this point in time. New ray tracing support? What? Bro, my game looks so real. I started docking during explosion. I run Kali Linux through Dex just to feel alive and it works better than some of the server I manage. The battery, this battery lasts longer than most of my relationship in it. Even with the gaming, video editing, doom scrolling, still didn't hit 0 by bedtime. That's a great thing. I scrolled through TikTok for 6 hours, played 3 games, watched a documentary I didn't understood, and I still had 30% left. It supports 45 wired and 25 wireless. Not the greatest, still though, basically it fuel up faster than your motivation at 3 a.m. Customization. One UI 7 plus AI overload, name it, you have it. One UI give you so much control you feel like you're jailbreak it. One UI is so customizable it made me question my identity. AI wallpaper, AI voice assist, AI object remover, AI photo editing, AI text suggestion, AI call summary, AI. Brrr. Bro, this phone AI is crazy. It erased my ex from a group photo and cropped me into the Met Gala. Wrote an Instagram story or whatever you call that caption for me. The Samsung Knox Matrix now protect everything, even from your own bad decision. It's like having a built-in CM. Shout out to security information and event management. Let's talk about speakers. Speakers are loud, like make the entire subway hate you loud. Dolby Atmos actually make a difference this time. When you play music at full blast, your soul vibrates and so do your neighbor's wall. S Pen, the wand of power. Still here, still ignored by 90% of the user. But when you pull it out in public, people will know. They don't know what, but they know. I signed a fake NDA just to feel important. Now, with reduced latency and improved handwriting recognition, Samsung really wants you to pretend you are still in school. Samsung DeX. Desktop mode for the ambitious. Samsung DeX is back and better because turning your phone into a desktop is still the most underrated flex. Plug in a monitor and boom, now you're replying to emails like it's 90s hacker movie. You can run PowerPoint, Zoom, Excel, and Photoshop all from your phone. Honestly, DeX mode is the only reason people at Starbucks thinks I work in cybersecurity. Let's talk about connectivity. Wi-Fi 7, not 6E, not 6, Wi-Fi 7. The kind of Wi-Fi that make your router cry and your downloads finish before you press play. Bluetooth 5.4 because apparently 5.3 was holding you back emotionally. 5G, of course, these things connect faster than a phishing email to an untrained intern. Ecosystem and bloatware. It feels a bit like an iPhone ecosystem. It syncs flawless with Galaxy Bud, Galaxy Tab, Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Fridge, Galaxy Toothbrush. Hold on, not the last one yet. So yeah, the S25 Ultra is ridiculous. It's overpowered, overpriced, and overcompensating. And I love every second of it. This phone didn't just upgrade, it evolved into final boss of Android. So subscribe before your phone does. Cheers, I'm out.